Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Ever wondered about tempeh? It's a fantastic plant-based protein made from fermented soybeans, offering a unique, nutty flavor and a satisfying, firm texture. Many people are curious about how to best prepare it, especially if they're new to plant-based cooking. Don't worry, it's actually surprisingly easy to turn into something truly delicious, and we'll show you how to do it right. Before you cook tempeh, a quick steam or simmer makes all the difference. This simple step helps to reduce any natural bitterness that tempeh might have, leaving you with a much milder flavor. It also softens the block slightly, preparing it perfectly to soak up all your favorite marinades and seasonings. Just 10 minutes in boiling water or a steamer basket is usually all it takes for this crucial prep. Now for the cooking. Pan frying is a classic way to get perfectly crispy tempeh. Slice your prepped tempeh into your desired shapes, perhaps thin strips or small triangles. Heat a bit of oil in a skillet over medium heat, then add the tempeh, making sure not to overcrowd the pan. Cook for about 3 to 5 minutes per side until it's beautifully golden brown and delightfully crisp. This method creates a satisfying outer crust that's truly enjoyable and delicious. For an even crispier result with less oil, consider baking or air frying your tempeh. After marinating, arrange your tempeh pieces on a baking sheet. Bake in a preheated oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 to 25 minutes, flipping halfway through for even browning. If you have an air fryer, it's even quicker. Cook at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 to 12 minutes, shaking the basket occasionally, until it's perfectly crunchy and ready for your meal. Cooked tempeh is incredibly versatile and takes on flavors beautifully. It's fantastic in stir-fries, crumbled into tacos or chili, or even sliced thinly for sandwiches and wraps. Don't be afraid to experiment with different marinades, like soy sauce, maple syrup, or your favorite spices. Tempeh is a wonderful addition to so many meals, offering protein and a satisfying bite. Give it a try and enjoy discovering your favorite ways to cook this amazing food.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.